Then mute.
Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And we are finally doing our first in the Philippines Marvel Hero Clicks Smash and Destroy Brick Break. Okay, so as you can see here, we have our participants. Angelito got 1 to 4. Jasper, yours truly. Leodge, number 6. Heinz, 7. Conrad got 8 and 12. And Neil got 9 to 11. So the slots really filled up fast, okay, because it's been a while since we had a break. Okay, and I think there's a lot of anticipation for this particular set. Okay, so we have here in present is Angelito, Conrad, Sandy, Neil, Pete, and I think Marcos was here earlier. Okay, so the rest, I think Heinz might be in transit somewhere. Leodge, wala pang ano. Okay. But anyway, so this is definitely not the last. There will be more coming up next week for Brick Break. So if you want to pre-sign up, kontakin nyo na ako para ma-reserve ko na yung slot sa inyo. Okay? Sige. So this is a 12 booster break. So slots number 1 to 6 will be break 1 back. Okay, and break 1 front is slots number 7 to 12. Okay, and then at the end of the break, we're also going to raffle off our legacy card. Okay, the coveted legacy card. Kaya may nag-aannotate. Okay. Okay, so we also have a couple of bounties here. This was a carried over bounty from the collector's trove from our last break. So Cinder, recommended by Angelo, is bounty A. Okay, so this is the, I think, aim set. And then bounty B is also a carryover. This is RP, recommended by Conrad. This is the Hydra, a shield set. And then uh Harpy, I think, is ano ata, si Neil pala. And then Titania was the one recommended by Conrad. So this is a new bounty set. This is the Men in Suit. This is the Magia. Okay, Magia set. Okay, from the Spider-Verse. So if you pull any of those super rares, then you get as well the 3 bounties. Okay, each of the bounties, the corresponding bounties. We're adding a couple more bounties. These are the rare figures. So if you get Wave, then you're going to get the Venomverse Reborn comics number 2. And then if you get Bulldozer, you get the DC number 2 comics. Okay. If there happens to be a couple of Wave or a couple of Bulldozers, because sometimes the rares can get duplicates, we'll figure out something as part of that bounty. Okay. So pero we are adding additional bounty sa rare hindi HeroClix. Okay. Iba, feeling para at least pampalubag loob for the Wave and Bulldozer. Okay. Although Wave is good because she is the first Filipino in clicks form. And not naman, kasi may, I don't know. Anyway, okay. Feeling ko talaga nasa seminar ako pa nagzo-zoom si Jasper. Oo nga eh, may klase ako kanina hanggang dire-diretso kaya naka ano pa ako collared shirt pa ako sa Zoom actually, Zoom class. Anyway, so you know the drill. We are going to randomize the name. Okay. Let's roll the dice for Smash and Destroy. We have 7. Okay. Very common result. 7. So let's randomize it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so this is our list. I'll put that in the PowerPoint. Okay. So let's see. Okay. Kung wala lang X-Men, i-give up ko yung slot ko eh. Pero may X-Men kasi sa set eh, kaya hindi ako makasagot eh. Okay, so these are the order. Angelito, Angelito, Leoch, Angelito, Neil, Heinz, Angelito, Neil, Conrad, Jasper. Ano ba? Last pala ako. Okay. Sige, so good luck to everyone. At this point in time, I'm going to spotlight this for everyone. So you should be seeing now the Smash and Destroy brick that we have. And the legacy card is here. 2002 to 2025. Okay. Teka lang, nag-message si Joel. Ano pa importante? Let me check. Quickly. Uh, 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 okay, nasa ano daw siya. He cannot join. So, it's okay. Recorded naman tayo.
Simulan mo na daw, yun daw gusto sabihin ni Joel. Joe.
Okay. So, let's open the brick. By the way, may magandang deal sa Amazon din sa bricks, guys, ha. It just so happened kasi this one, we did not get this from Amazon. Kaya, we got this kasi pre-release. Okay. Kaya, pero the Amazon deal, I think, is very good. Okay. Sige. So, let's start with booster number one. Let me, lang yan ko lang. Makita yung pangalan eh. Ayan, Angelito. Booster number one, Angelito. Wait. Booster number one. Uy, parang mabigat ah. Okay, tingnan muna natin ang ating booster. Warning includes pre-painted collectible miniatures 5. Okay, the Juggernaut, the Wrecking Crew and Debris. Okay, we have here a lot of super rares and rares. And then we have the Chase Store with the goats. One goat and one dog. Anyway,
Actually,
ang
you want the goats for the SRs.
yeah,
Actually,
Angelito,
pinakamahal yung mga goats.
this is for you, Angelito, first one. Oops. Taskmaster, that's a rare.
Uy, nice.
Primus.
But
Okay.
but nice agad, Pete.
Anong letter yung
Sino to?
Taskmaster? Mahal yung letter C.
Sino to?
Uy.
I'm not kidding.
Damage
Mahal yung letter
Control Worker. Arcade and
Double rare.
Bulky.
Wow.
Meron siyang insurance
Grabe.
policy na one shot.
Jasper, check mo kung anong letter yung Taskmaster. Pinakamahal is
Taskmaster,
T.
letter A.
Okay, okay.
Nice.
Letter A.
Vicente
Okay.
na mahal din naman siya. Okay naman. Pero pinakamahal is C.
Bakit siya mahal? Anong fishing focus
Ewan
lang?
ko. Ano eh. A is $8. B is
Okay.
$9. Tapos C is $15.
Ito yung ano mo, one shot Angelito. So, very good. Mahirap makuha yung one shot dito sa Smash and Destroy.
Tsaka very good, double rare siya. Arcade.
Dalawang
Yung
ano.
pangalawa. Double
Arcade
rare
is
siya.
common lang. Arcade is common.
Common lang yun. So it's the common. Okay.
The robot. Okay. Pero, dalawang one shot is good actually.
Oh, tsaka yung Taskmaster is a good rare.
Taskmaster. So, this is Angel 1.
Baka Howard.
Congrats,
Angel number
Howard.
2. This is you.
Howard
Again.
Angelito number 1.
Angel Tan yan, Angel Tan.
Ay, hindi ko ma-monitor yung chat, guys. Kaya
Okay
lagay ko
lang.
yung chat window.
Okay lang, hindi na kami nasa chat.
Okay. Lead painted. Green Scar Legacy is what we want. According kay Conrad.
Ayan.
Sino to?
Number 2.
Dito pa rin to?
Naku, ganda
bubble
ng
wrap.
plastic.
Oy, bubble wrap.
Wrap.
Sana kalabaw. Sana goat.
Goat.
Uy!
Goat.
Chase!
Wala
Chase.
na. Sino
Yes.
Chase?
Iron Man!
Okay,
Wow.
not bad. Not bad.
Mm.
Congrats.
Ang dito talaga
Pwede.
naman.
Well, 4 naman kasi ng booster. Di 4 din. May iba chances of winning.
Ba't ganito yung sa ano niya, baba niya? Parang maraming paint. Okay?
Okay na yan.
Chase, Iron Man.
Basta hindi bali, okay na yan.
Okay. Let's see the rest. Speedball,
Buti hindi ka. Hindi ako
Captain
nalungkot.
America, Hazmat, and what's this? Police
Policeman.
Job loss
Police
officer.
officer.
Yan, ganda
Okay.
yan.
Okay.
Maganda rin, maganda.
Congrats on the Iron Man
Congrats, Angelito.
Howard/Angelita.
Congrats, Howard. Ano ba yan?
Congrats, Howard.
Ganyan talaga.
Yeah.
Take chance. Siyempre.
Hey, ang hilito, naka-chase ka naman. Akin na yung cup na yan.
Captain America.
Huwag ka muna humingi, baka meron ka
Chase
rin.
pala Tony Stark, hindi Iron Man. Tony Stark. Ang pangalan niya. Okay.
Wag namang Captain America lang makuha.
Bale,
Parang
may
sakit.
super rares pa tayo and possibly a second chase kung Absorbing Man.
Mm.
This is
Petroleum
Angel
Black
2.
Man. Destroyer.
Oh, yun, nagkalita. Angelo, congrats pare.
Okay.
Galing mo.
And then
Ang
we
gusto nyo makuha
have
dito yung kambing, please.
number
Maganda
3 is
yung mahalagang
Joel.
kambing.
Yan, sana kambing. Ay, wag na. Kahit bato lang makuha ni Joel, masaya na.
Aso.
Anong ba to, gallbladder?
Uy,
Uy,
Ano?
ganda. Ayun, oh.
Rhino.
Ito yung Rhino. Pwede na, mahal yan. Mahal din
Mahal
yan.
yan.
Arcade, common.
$8.
Ay, sana
Quicksilver.
walang card.
Ay, Ant-Man, maliit na Ant-Man.
Oo, ayan.
And Hulk na may bato.
Okay. Okay,
Oh,
ayan yung bato. O, yan o. Sabi ko siya,
Oh,
tinawag mo
galing.
yung bato. Ayan, may bato.
Oh,
Ayan, ah.
Parang
Uy,
walang ano. one shots.
number 4 yata yung si Bato, di ba?
Si Bato.
Number 3.
Number 3 si Bato?
Si Hulk
Yes.
is 11C.
Ay, babato natin.
May bato.
Yan, yun yung magandang
Yung kagustuhan ni Joel, may ligyan sa bato si Joel.
May
Dami
bato
sa
may
Batangas.
bato Malinaw, may bato.
Yan, di ba?
Bato
Ayan.
si Joel ngayon.
May sakit sa bato. Grabe naman si Angel.
This
Huwag
is
kang ganyan.
Leon.
Baka may ikaw ibato ni Joel pagkatapos niyan.
Hindi.
Number 4 is
Mabait
Angelito
si Joel.
again.
Joel,
Angelito.
may
Grabe, ang dito na naman.
Uy, huwag mo naman
Ang dito na naman.
suyuan.
Tingnan natin. Number
Oh,
3.
Chase Absorbing Man naman daw.
Kamatay.
Los Diablos. The General
SR yan.
Ross.
SR yan.
Quicksilver.
Wow. Naku, parang may bato rin.
Oy, Cinder.
SR.
Uy,
Our
ang
bounty.
Wow.
Cinder.
Magandang SR yan.
Hiniling ni
SR.
Angelo. Nakuha niya. Cinder.
Congratulations,
SR.
Howard.
Ayaw ni
Go,
Angelo yan.
Hawkeye and
Uy, wow.
they have damage control. Is
Wow.
our first super rare and bounty
Wow.
A, if I'm not mistaken. Cinder,
Galing.
So,
yung
Angelito, 1 Chase, 1 SR na.
Oh, babae ba yan si Cinder? Parang may bra.
tatlo nga ano nito 4 nga ano nito Osos
Grabe yung bastos ng figure na yan, Angelo. Ano, pagdadasal kita
Ayan,
mga...
tingnan mo,
Bastos,
Oh.
lapit mo pa.
4 Apat
Wag mo na i-emphasize, Jasper. Baka ma-demonetize ka niyan.
Ay,
You have
ako, yan.
Cinder
Ako,
here.
tita.
Okay.
Gusto ni Angelo yan kasi may charge.
Okay. Nag-a-apoy ni
Hello.
Cinder. Magandang scout niya actually. Nice
Ayoko na
punch
magsalita. Go. Next.
Hindi, ayaw ni Angelo yan kasi
Okay.
mabait ko.
Congrats, Angelo. Talaga naman.
Tuloy
Sulat
na
mo
yung
na.
content para hindi ka masunog. Sige.
Pwede ba ilagay mo dyan, Angelo Howard? Misleading.
Number 5 is Neil. Neil, first one.
Uy, wow.
Neil.
parang
Wow,
may
Neil.
Ganda ng rare
First
niya.
out of 3. Neil.
Juggernaut, SR.
Oo,
Chase.
sana.
Uy,
Huwag naman.
kita ko.
Puto.
Waifu.
Ano yan?
Waifu. Arrow,
No.
super rare.
Ay,
Okay.
ano yan?
Okay.
Waifu.
Walang
Raven.
sobra naman.
Ito
Uy.
yung mabigat. Si Zask.
Sayang, kala ko bato rin.
Captain America.
Oh,
And-
Captain America.
Damage control.
Oh, congrats. May ano.
And
second
meron kang
SR.
terrain. May terrain ka na. Ito. Yung
Uy, terrain.
parang blocking.
Terrain.
Baka makidnap, sagutin ko pa. Howard the Duck. Howard the Duck.
Palagi sa late ni Howard, makikidnap pa yun.
So yun nga yung makikidnap, mapagkamalang bata. Ano ba?
Bata pa ba
Dadak na
itsura
lang.
no?
Arrow is your super rare, Neil.
Uy, galing. Ang
Okay.
galing, oh.
Ganda ng arrow. Parang si Parang si Renoa. Actually.
Kasi hindi magagamit sayang.
Uy, maganda to.
Grabe ang puti ng arrow. My God.
Ganda
Eh,
yan.
parang
Maganda yan.
hindi maputi rin.
O, dalawa na super rare natin. Neil is number 5.
Uy, huwag yun na ubusin sa dulo. Marami kami sa harap.
Nga, wala na tayo abutang Conrad. Number
Pagdating
6
ng
is
12.
Heinz.
Pagdating ng 12, pati rare, wala na.
Pagdating, wala nang laman. Number 6 is
Puro
Heinz.
common.
Take a look.
Ah,
Heinz, wherever you are,
puro
this is for
train
you.
marker makukuha niyo.
Uy,
Hmm.
finally, mayroon na tayo absorbing
Absorbing
man.
man.
Ayun. Totoo nga, may,
Lumabas din.
may bato ulit.
Hulk.
May
Puro ito
bato.
Puro naka-topless
Pang, Siyempre, pang number 3.
Arcade. This is the rare.
Yeah.
Uy,
Ah.
Uy, ang ganda, Sun Girl.
ganda
Ano yan?
ng scope. CC.
Oo, ang ganda.
Yun ito?
Sun girl.
Sun Girl
Sino ba
and
yan? Sandy.
Excavator.
Si Sandy.
Ano? Sino to? Sun.
Oh,
Sandy daw. Si Sandy daw.
Sandy yan.
Quicksand.
Sandy.
Si Quicksand.
Quick
Ah,
Sandy.
So,
Okay.
one
Quicksand.
shots. Parang walang one shot.
Wala.
Okay?
Oo.
Don't worry, I'll
Tama.
take pictures
Wala.
of your pools later.
Grabe.
Design.
Nakay Howard na ang lahat.
Okay?
Chase SR
Always,
sa
if
one
you want
shot.
to trade, just mention it into me. Okay, let's go to the front. Angelito,
Ano daw
this is
yung
your last flat.
yung may mga natitira pa daw na kaluluwa para kay
Okay.
Howard daw. Kailangan.
Angelito. Slot
Uy,
number
pero
4.
ano yun, di ba may business yun na na parang si Cheiron siya, si
Uy,
Karen.
Bounty to Bounty
SR
Bulldozer.
It's
SR ba yan?
One of the comics, Bounty, Bulldozer.
SR?
na naman.
Rare yan.
The rare. Ant-Man, na maliit.
Galing. Ang liit. And,
Ito. Diesel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Sino to? Si Lenny Ballinger
Sandy,
and
Lenny lang.
Los Diablos Soldier. Parang walang one shot.
Okay na yan.
So you got the bounty for the Bulldozer.
So ano na lang, isang SR tsaka isang Prime na lang natitira.
Siguro
May isa
dalawang
pang
SR.
SR and possibly Prime. And
Shit. Isang SR na lang, 5 pa.
isa pang possible chase. We don't know. Minsan nagdadalawang Prime sa isang break.
Natatakot
Neil,
ako dun sa
this
number.
for you. Neil, number
Jasper,
8.
I love your optimism eh. No?
Noon naman.
Oo naman.
Maganda yung distribution dito sa set actually. Neil,
Sige nga,
number 3.
spell
Number 2.
optimism.
Who's your number 2?
Ano, bagong title, Jasper, Employee of Whiskins, Joe.
Oy, Titania. Super rare,
Uy,
Neil. You got the bounty. One of the bounty.
Congratulations, Neil.
Not
Dalawa
bad.
SR.
2
Pwede
out of
na.
3 hits. Dalawang super rare, Neil. You got Titania. You have Craven. You have Hawkeye. We have Freya. What's that? Valkyrie. And the Brune and a dog.
Uy, may
You got
aso ka na.
Tori. And then you got a Fire Hydrant.
May
Ayan.
terrain na naman siya.
So,
Lahat ng
18
terrain marker sa kanya na punta.
Congrats, Neil.
Kailangan
Congrats,
talaga
Neil.
fire hydrant kasi may aso.
Fire Hydrant. Okay.
Para sa aso yan.
Para sa aso yan. Diyan siya magwiwiwi. Shout out, Larry, you're here, and Neil, and
Tatlo na ba yung
Marcos.
booster ni Neil?
Okay. Congrats, Neil. Second booster is an
second
SR
ba
with
lang?
another terrain. Okay.
May prime pa yan, possibly.
Ubus na ba
Parang gusto ko na tuloy ibigay yung slot ko kay Larry.
Kapal na mukha. Ang kapal na mukha. Grabe.
Prime Destroyer.
Okay. Number 9 is Neil also.
Si Neil na naman.
Pag yan prime, matatawa na lang ako sa inyong tatlo.
Lang yan. Naubos na. Latak na yung sa amin ni Conrad. Let's see.
Baka wala na tayong rare.
Oy.
Ako,
Debris.
Uy.
Rare.
Ayun, sa wakas.
Black na Ant-Man.
Bilisan mo, kinakabahan ako eh.
Wrecking Crew. Uy, meron na naman siya. Terrain na naman, oh.
Lahat ng terrain kay Neil
Lahat ng terrain na kay Neil. Ano ba?
Congrats, Neil.
Congrats, Neil. You have another terrain which is the Pit Trap. Okay.
Ano talaga?
We
More
have
chances
the dog,
of winning.
another dog, and
Uy.
absorbing. Uy, muntikan na. Absorbing man na puti.
Pagkasa tayo, Jasper.
Okay. Yan. So, Neil, you got all the terrain so far.
Yan.
Okay.
Ito na.
Good. That's a good goal. Okay.
Neil,
Okay yan. Para maingganyo si Neil sa next break.
Huwag mo na kayong buksan ng tatlo.
Conrad, for you.
Kayo na yan?
Dalawa sa'yo, Conrad, pagkasunod. Ano ba?
Hindi, yan na yung chase. Parang
Parang
bukas
walang laman.
Sabi ko sa'yo, wala
laman talaga.
Wala na rare yan.
Let's see, tingnan natin. Diesel.
Uy,
Uy,
rare.
Goliath.
Rare.
Goliath. That's the rare. We have the
Thunderbolt.
Thunderball, a dog,
A
Aso
dog.
na naman.
and a black ant. Okay.
Ay, grabe.
Walang one shots. Yung kay ano lang, ang dito lang lumabas na one
Ang
shot.
Angelito lang yung may one shot.
Ay,
Sa kanya pa lang punta yung one shot. Sa kanya na yung chase. Sa kanya may SR. Sa kanya may one shot.
Okay.
Lagay mo na
Alright.
lang dyan yung one shot.
Dalawa pang one shot in one booster. Ano ba?
So, wala. More chances of winning
Okay,
talaga.
Conrad, this is for you. Second to the your second booster.
Ay,
Yan na yung chase.
Wala pa tayong prime, no?
wala. Baka yan na yung
Wala
prize.
pa, wala pa.
Oh,
Pwede pa, pwede pa,
yan na yan.
pwede pa, pwede pa.
Uy, ayun
Uy,
no, parang may
uy,
balot. May
nakita
plastic.
ko, Conrad.
May plastic.
Super
Uy,
rare prime, Conrad.
Destroyer.
Destroyer
ay,
Prime.
yan. Ang galing.
Destroyer prime.
Pwede na, pwede
Pangit.
na.
Yan.
Uy,
Grabe,
maganda
basta
to. Oh.
parang $50 lang yun.
Oo nga, $50 lang yan.
Tunugin ko pa yung...
Okay, rare prime, Conrad. Ayaw mo, balik natin.
Hindi. Tuloy mo na, huwag mo na sakta.
Balik natin, ayaw mo eh.
Congratulations.
Uy,
Bawi na.
Oh, Conrad, good
Bawi,
job.
Conrad. Good job.
kailangan
Mahal
ko
driver,
pagtakbo dyan.
Speedball,
Uy,
Primus,
galing.
and Craven. Tingnan natin.
Wala na siya
Oh,
pakailan
Destroyer
to.
Prime, oh.
Grabe yun, not bad.
Kung
Gusto
nakuha
kaya
mo
ni
to sa,
Jasper yan?
pag nakuha mo to sa sealed Conrad, panalo ka na.
Isingit mo.
20 defense 20 defense.
Wow.
Walang one shots.
Conrad, iti-trade daw ni Jowa sa'yo yung Rhino niya para sa Destroyer.
Oh, $80 daw yan, sabi ni Angelo.
Uy, salamat,
Yung
Angelo.
65. Sa
Hindi,
sa cool stuff.
80. Thanks.
Sa troll.
Wala.
Sa troll.
Okay.
Thank you. Parang
Jasper.
feeling ko ako
Jasper,
nanalo.
mukhang pinipredict ko na si Wave to, si Wave.
Uy, kung malay mo may ano yan, may one shot.
Kaway, kay Wave, kaway.
Kunyari, sana may
Baka
power
naman-
gen.
Sure ka,
Kaway,
baka may
kaway.
goodbye.
Oh, Scarlet
Uy, oh.
Witch, yay!
Yan ba yung ano?
Oh,
hindi.
si Wave eh. Sabi siya.
Uy, yan. Uy,
Oy, si
tabi mo
Wave,
sa
si
akin.
Wave.
Tabi mo.
Oh, si Wave. Okay lang
Tabi
yan.
mo lang.
Dino tayo. Oy, Toad, Hawkeye, and Absorbing Man. Na?
Ang sakit. Ouch.
Buti hindi ko kinuha yung kay Jasper.
Oh, it's a wave. Okay, kaway,
Oh,
kaway.
mag-wave na. Mag-wave tayo. Grabe. At
Good
least may
goodbye.
rare, di ba?
Grabe,
Not
at least may
bad na.
rare. Okay lang yan. It's fine.
Okay, ito na, legacy card.
Okay,
Tingnan mo
legacy
kung-
na tayo. Let me share the screen once again.
Oy. Green Scar, ha?
Yeah, behave, behave.
Congrats sa
behave,
makakuha ng Druid.
Okay, let's see how many rolls?
Congrats sa makakuha ng Druid or Leader.
9 rolls. So,
9.
whoever is now on top after 9 rolls, that's 16 dapat, 16 times here, will get the legacy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and Heinz. Si Heinz ang nakakuha. Uy! Okay, si Heinz. Pakonsuelo. Buti pa siya may pakonsuelo.
Oo nga eh.
Wave na naman.
Sa-
Si Conrad din may
sana-
pakonsuelo eh.
Conrad, wala ka na
Uy,
karapatan
Conrad, may
magreklamo.
pakonsuelo ka din ah.
Bato ka
Oo
na dyan eh.
naman.
Destroyer. O, tingnan natin.
Swerte ko kasi wala si Joel.
Heinz. Up.
Yan.
Mabubuksan mo ba? Ano bubuksan?
Green Scar.
Up.
Huwag mo akong kalimutan, Green Scar.
Tingnan natin.
Okay.
And Druid. Joke.
Ay, hindi.
Kalimutan mo na ako.
L.
Mael. Ay, Aquanet.
Legacy.
Congratulations.
Thank you
Okay.
nila.
Leader Legacy.
Congratulations sa Leader.
Hindi ako nasaktan, Pete.
The Mighty Thor. Tingnan natin ang ginagawa niyan.
Alam mo, wala kang karapatan masaktan kung meron ka ng prime, na destroyer. Bato ka pa niya kung mas
Lakasan mo po
masaktan
para
ka pa.
marinig ni Joel.
Okay,
Prime na
I'm gonna
destroyer,
pause the
gusto-
recording. So again, thank you very much, everyone. I'll take a picture of your pulse. If you have buy,
Congrats,
sell,
guys.
or trade, please PM me directly so that I can move
Sige,
it
thanks,
around.
Angelo.
I'll
Thanks,
bring
Pete.
the items on Saturday. See you guys, Silver Age, in celebration of HeroClix for Huntington 2025. Congrats to everyone. Wait.
Goodbye. Sige.